near public school organized a painting competition. Hurma has typed an article to be printed in the school newspaper, giving details of the competition. She has created the document in MS Word. By mistake, she typed the entire text in small letters. Her computer teacher now wants her to change the case of the heading so that the first character of each word is in capital. Change the case of the paragraph to sentence case and the name of the school to uppercase. Check spelling and grammar. Use Thesaurus for the word talent and replace it with another similar word. Find the word children and replace it with students at all occurrences in the text. To complete the task, first start MS Word and type the paragraph as shown. In order to change the case, first select the heading and then in the font group, click on the Change Case button. You will notice a drop-down option box appearing over the document. Select the desired Change Case option. To make the case of the first character of each word of the heading appear in capital, click on the Capitalize Each Word option. To change the case of the paragraph to sentence, click on the Sentence Case option. To make the name of the school appear in uppercase, select the school name and click on the Change Case option. Then click on the uppercase option. You will notice the changes appear on the document. Now, let's check the spelling and grammar of the document. First, position the cursor at the location where you want to start checking the spelling. Click the Review tab. The Review tab options ribbon appears. In the Proofing group, click on Spelling and Grammar. The Spelling and Grammar dialog box appears. You will notice that the first unrecognized word is displayed in the Not in Dictionary text box and the suggestions are displayed in the Suggestions box below. You can choose from the following. Click the correct word in the suggestions list. Click on Change to change the word or click Change All to change the word in the entire document. You will notice the changes in the document as per your choice. Click Ignore once if no correction is needed or click Ignore All to continue checking the document but leaving all instances of the highlighted word unchanged throughout the document. Click Add to Dictionary to add the word to the MS Word dictionary. Clicking on the desired button completes that action and the next word is highlighted. Repeat these steps until a message saying the spelling and grammar check is complete is displayed. Click on OK on the message box. The message box disappears and the spelling and grammar check is now complete. Let's answer this question before we move on. The keyboard shortcut for opening the spelling and grammar dialog box is Yes, that's correct. Let us now learn how to use the Thesaurus. First, click on the Review tab. In the Proofing group, click to choose Thesaurus. The Research Task pane appears to the right of the document window. Press Alt on the keyboard and click on the word that you want to look up, which in this case is talent. You will notice the results appearing in the Research Task pane. To use one of the words in the list of results, point to it. Click the drop-down arrow and then click Insert or Copy. The word will appear on the document. To look up additional related words, click a word in the list of results. The related words will appear in the Research Task pane. To find the word children and replace it with students at all occurrences, first of all, click on the Home tab. In the editing group at the top right-hand corner, click on Replace. The Find and Replace dialog box is displayed with the Replace tab selected. In the Find What box, type the text to be searched, that in this case is children. In the Replace With box, type the replacement text, that is students. Click the Find Next button to highlight the word in the document. You will notice the word children highlighted in the document. Once you have found the word, click the Replace All button to replace all occurrences of the text in the Find What box with the text in the Replace With box. You will notice the word children has been replaced by the word students. Before we proceed any further, let's answer this question. Which is the third tab on the Find and Replace dialog box after Find and Replace? Yes, that's correct. Once all the changes sought by the computer teacher have been carried out, the text would look as shown. Add or delete text as required to make the paragraph clear and precise.